Yeah.
Jesus, it's full.
Yep, a lot of people.
Yeah.
Before that you went here, it's same like
No.
this, lot of people too.
No, not like this. There's lots of it.
So today it's more.
Yep. I figured that it's gonna be down weekend.
Yep, because it's today's weekend, so
You're not gonna die.
so Ginoo ko ang taas ng slide di matay gid tinuod gi atay pagkataas sa manani oy gawas man pud espiritu aning kataas ning slide ng mga giatay yani. Naku, perfect talaga yung yung weather ngayong araw na to dahil malamig yung yung panahon at hindi ganong mainit. Ayan, perfect yung weather, pero itong yung slide na to is parang hindi yata perfect para sa akin kasi kabado na ako dito, parang nanginginig na pati tuhod ko kakatingin dyan sa mahabang slide na yan, kakalurk. Ayan, kahit na kabado na ako dito dahil sa mataas nga na yung imbodo slide na yan, so tawag nito, nilakasan ko lang yung yung loob ko dyan, charot. Sa mga malakas lang yung loob dito at walang mga karamdaman, walang sakit sa puso or kung at walang mga sakit yung pwede para dito at hindi pwede yung mga hindi pwede dito ang mga buntis. Ayan, sa mga malakas lang talaga yung loob dito. Solid naman din at enjoy kami. Sorry. Ayan. Yeah. It's raining.
All right. So I learned. See? That way you get them wet the entire time. So I can
Are you ready for Aqua Music Radio? What are you all waiting for is like your friends and family here on the radio because Aqua Music Radio starts right now. Aqua Music, give it up for DJ.
this.
Mm.
Can you do it?
No? Pwede. Easy pay. Yeah.
Seriously, no one.
Where? No. Stay here. Ako, stay lang ako dito. Dito na ako. Oh, ikaw?
You want to stay here too?
Yeah. You want to go right there? Huh? You want?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alamig yan siya. Ayaw niya.
Just anytime. Just walk in here anytime.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
That's actually going to be the next one. Right. Now you have to ask her, was it more fun the second time or worse the second time? Ask her, was it more fun the second time?
Okay.
And then you'll see.
Pe, dali ba? Pangalawa, mas malala yung yung una. Ano? The first one is worse than
Yes,
this one.
yes. That's what I'm saying. It gets easier and easier. You get more used to it.
Yeah.
And then it's like, you never else, it's like nothing. You're like, I've done it so many times, like, you know, the first time I'm like, holy shit. You know, like, wow, you get used to it.
Lipong oy. Hi.
Here we are at the plant. If you notice, I don't have a hat. Oh, she's way over there.
Yeah.
Way back. You want to stop wait for her? You didn't work together, we can read it. You were filming, right?
Yeah.
I hope so. We purposely did this. You filmed us both coming down.